All right, so I've been talking about it a lot, how I'm going to get into real estate this year, real estate investing. So I went and got a mentor, my boy Tom Cruz. We came to his crib today and he's gonna show me about like how to get my first investment property. But we figured, man, your house is so dope.
You already live in Miami, you gotta come down.
Yeah. Your house is so dope. You got so many cars. I was wondering if we can give my audience a tour of
Sure.
all your shit, man.
Yeah, let's start talking about it.
Oh, in the boat.
Yeah, we gotta go through the yacht, go through the house, and then start looking for your first property.
Come on, let's go.
Let's do it.
Come with us.
Yeah, so this is the main living room area. We're still waiting on some furniture to come in, but for the most part, this was the empty room that we needed to fill up first.
You had to feel this.
How to fill this up. 700 bottles. It was empty for the longest time, and then just like you came in and there's nothing else you can do with it. It's humidity controlled, climate controlled. It stays 50 degrees in there the whole time.
Really?
So we filled it up with kind of a mixture of stuff. Shout out to Total Wine. They came out here and curated all the wines, red wines, white wines, all the tequilas on the top. We have all the vodkas and champagnes, rosés, a little bit of everything. So
What's your favorite? I don't drink at all, so like, what's your favorite?
I actually really don't drink much either. This is completely for the aesthetic of the house.
Oh, really?
But if I have to drink, yeah, it's gonna be either Clase Azul or 1942. I like tequila. That's why I did the entire top as tequilas. But coincidentally, I've never tried Seis Puertas or Mi Familia, so it's mostly just that. We just chose based on the coolest looking bottles. That's why we have like all the multicolored skulls and stuff like that. So then we can head out to the back while we're out here, and I'll show you kind of the backyard.
That's a huge TV. You watch a lot of TV?
No, it's just the big wall. I never watched TV. So this is a 100-inch TV. Anything bigger would have been like custom and took forever. So we picked up 100 inches there.
Right.
This is actually what really sold me on the house was all the pool, the full kitchen suite that they have back here. There's jets in the pool. They come out also from the rest of the sides. See how we have jets coming out the sides? So in order so all this stays in brand new condition, jump off here real quick. You just come down. We got category 5 shutters all the way through. So then we also have like, if you want, it comes down with, we have screens that pull down. So if it's like really sunny out here, you have screened in. And then we have the Viking everything. Then we're able to just like cook out here, direct TV out here, Apple TV out here. It's pretty neat. So we do a lot. Spend a lot of time out here, yeah. Especially on days like this where it's really nice out here. And then out here, we have all the toys. We got 3 jet skis on the property. We got a little tender to just kind of go island hopping in.
Yeah.
And then I got my 100-foot Pershing motor yacht. Got her about 6 months ago.
You got the. How much was the yacht?
She was right under $5 million.
5 million?
Yeah, $5 million bucks.
And how much are the jet skis?
The jet skis are, I mean, this one is a stage 3 Riva, so she's probably about 20,000. But the other ones are, I don't know, 12 to 15,000 bucks.
3 jet skis, a little boat.
Yeah, that tender is $40,000.
Whoa.
Yeah, just for that like little jet tender.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why they're so expensive, but it gets fast. She does 30 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour.
Do you like put it on the back of your boat when you?
So there's a couple options. So if you see kind of with the back of the boat over there, it actually opens up as a garage. So then we have 2 jet skis in there right now. We can either do 2 jet skis or we can do the tender. Yeah, the whole thing opens up. If he's out there, we can open that up too. So come back here, we got the Sea Bobs. These are a lot of fun. These are underwater submersibles.
Oh.
So you just jump on top of them, and there's 2 joysticks, and they'll take you like 20 miles an hour through the water.
Really?
It feels like you're riding a dolphin.
You wear like a scuba?
I just have a snorkel.
A snorkel?
Yeah. So you just go and dive down. So you have the impellers in there. So it's just, it's got cameras on the front. It's pretty sick.
I love to snorkel.
Yeah.
That's the
ultimate snorkeling machine then.
So this like takes you.
Yeah, so it's buoyant. So you just jump on, and if you put more weight on the front, then you'll dive straight down. Yeah, it's fun. We go to the Bahamas, we take it to Bimini, and we have 3 of them on board.
You take the boat to.
Oh, we take the whole thing, yeah. And then we take the jet skis, all come with it.
Last time I was there, I just.
No, we'll take that, and then we'll just anchor off the shore and go over by like that shipwreck, and then we'll go cruise over there.
Last time I went to the Bahamas, I flew private like a poor person.
That's all right.
Like
in a propeller plane. So we'll come down here, I'll show you the garage that opens. So this whole thing opens up, and now we have access to the beach club in the garage, so.
That's dope. So you just pull these out?
Yeah, you just pull on, there's a winch system. So if you see over there, there's a remote, and both of these just drop in. And then when you're done, you just winch them up and they bring right back inside.
How often do you go out how often do you go take the boat out?
Like 2 or 3 times a week.
2 or 3?
Yeah, we're out all the time. We went to the Mastermind on Saturday. We took it out last week to Kiki's and to American Social. So we take it out all the time.
Yeah, you pull up.
Yeah, so we're coming back inside the main salon area of Cersei. And in here, there's 4 bedrooms or staterooms, 4 bathrooms. And then there's also 3 crew quarters below. So yeah, she's got 5,200 horsepower. She goes about 45 miles an hour. We can make it to the Bahamas in about an hour.
Really?
If we push it, yeah. So we get to Bimini hour and 15 minutes. She'll hold 2,500 gallons of fuel. She'll burn about 300 gallons an hour, fully wide open. So she cooks. So it's a lot of fun to drive. And yeah, I have a full-time captain, deckhand. We bring stews on here as well, just for like drinks and stuff. But
So when you go out, how does it work? You just call the captain?
yeah, captain lives or the day of.
Oh, we
can go out right now if we wanted to.
Oh,
I would call.
full time.
He's full time. It's full time.
So it works for you.
It works just for me.
Got it.
So he'll take that, and then we have a little bar area here. I know you don't drink, but if you did, this is where you would be. And then we can go downstairs, and I'll show you kind of the staterooms. This is kind of like the VIP suite.
All right.
This is where you would stay if you were here for the Bahamas for the week. Got a queen bed, and then you have a full bathroom in there as well. And this is kind of just like the spot. I mean, you really only just come here to sleep.
Yeah.
We're out generally on the jet skis. We have 2 more king suites on either side here with their own bathrooms.
Oh, these guys, they all have their own bathroom.
Yeah. They all have their own bathrooms.
Showers too?
Showers, toilets, they're all 4.
You can like live on this.
Oh yeah, you can definitely live on here. So in here, this is my main master suite. It's full beam. So in here, you can definitely chill here.
Oh, you can chill.
This is the king bed.
This one has the TV if you want.
TV. You can chill in there, yeah. That's actually a really comfortable bed, surprisingly. You sit on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and then
Oh, yeah,
when
yeah, I can-
we're in the Bahamas and the clear waters are just blowing through there, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I like this.
Think about all the right decisions you made to get there. I don't think they're done. Hey, we're just coming down for a quick tour. You cool? All right. So down here, there's a galley and kitchen.
Oh, okay, they got their own, like-
Yeah. No, it's fine.
What's up,
This is
bro?
Vaughn. This is Brandon, Brad, and Vaughn.
Nice meeting you, man. Yeah.
And then in here, we have a kitchen, crew quarters, and I'll show you the engine room. That's pretty thick. So here are the 2. These are actually Rolls-Royce motors from MTU. All right. Some big old bitches.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. So here we got 2. These are, I think, 2,700 horsepower each. There's triple turbos on them, and this is what keeps us going. There's 2 generators on board as well, 1 on either side. So we're able to stay air conditioned for like a long time. Yeah, and burns like a couple of gallons per hour in fuel for the generators. But yep, this is her. They're constantly cleaning, doing maintenance.
So you have to keep it like
Oh yeah, all day.
Really?
Full-time job. And you really see the full size. Feels like you're on an actual ship from up here.
Yeah, that's a fact.
And most boats are like 50 to 60 out in the water. So like, especially when we go to Kiki's or anywhere on the river, it's just like you're looking down on everybody.
Oh, because you were bigger than
Oh yeah. I
things.
mean, you can just tell just even looking down here on the channel. We're the biggest boat on the channel.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
So these boats like this, they don't have like bedrooms and shit.
They have small like staterooms. Like he would have probably like maybe a 2 stateroom with maybe 2 bathrooms, but they don't have like dedicated crew quarters. But these are mostly like designed for day boats. These are designed for like staying out of the Bahamas for a week if you want.
Yeah, you can go on a voyage with this.
We have Starlink on board as well. Starlink. So we have that under here. And then over there, we have like DirecTV. We have weather satellite. We have radar. We have FLIR. This is a night vision camera right here. So you can, operate at night. Horn, lights, the whole 9.
That's badass, man.
The longest we've been out on it's probably a week around the Bahamas. I really don't stay on it that long.
Yeah. Like you're shitting on most people's houses.
Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and cut the jets. And you can just do that off and through here. And also, although this whole thing is cooled and heated, which is pretty sick too. So
You can change the temperature.
you can change the temperature any time of the month. So there's 2 whole HVAC systems just for that. So through here, we have the first guest room, nothing too crazy. I kind of like how they set up this powder room. So it's kind of like these weird fixtures everywhere.
That's where the water comes
Yeah.
from the ceiling.
Yeah, so it's bizarre.
Yeah.
And then in here, probably my favorite room.
Oh.
So in here we have the main theater,
What do you watch here?
everything. I mean, it's everything.
Oh, you
from-
play Xbox?
Yeah, we had Call of Duty's hooked up to it. The new one.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's surround sound. The whole thing, if you look over here, is completely soundproof. So it's like a 3-inch thick door, and you close it.
Does it like double as like a safe room? Like
No. Yeah, I'll show you that as well. So yeah, in here it's all completely soundproof, and it's got I think 32 speakers, 4 subs, and like a few amps that power the whole room, so it gets really loud in here.
you watch movies on here?
Oh yeah, we were watching Oppenheimer when it just came out. We were watching Oppenheimer on here. That was cool.
How you get the movies when they come out?
Oh yeah, because it's just on. There's a service. I'll just do that right when they come out. I'll show you that too.
That's dope. Oh,
Yeah.
So you don't have to go to the movie theater.
I mean, for stuff that just came out, it's not. It takes like a few weeks before it hits. But yeah, a lot of the ones that go direct to TV, you can watch direct.
Might as well just wait.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Yeah, and these recline and everything, man.
And then Call of Duty.
Yeah.
On this screen, that's probably crazy.
It is. It takes a while to adjust because you're like looking for, but the surround sound it's better than headphones because you're hearing it right behind you. So it's really sick.
4 more cars, 4 more Rolls.
The Rolls Royces that I was telling you about.
So this is the Wraith.
This is the Dawn.
This is the Dawn.
Dawn is the convertible one. So she's got the orange interior. I think this is open. Yeah. And then we got.
Not bad.
Yeah. And then we got the Lambo, the Evo Spider. I've had her for a year and a half. This is probably the one I've had the longest. And then we got the Phantom.
Oh, and the Phantom.
Yeah.
Here. Oh. You bought 4 more Rolls Royces.
I bought 4 more Rolls Royces.
Which ones did you get?
I have the new electric one, which will be in purple.
Electric one.
Yeah, it's the Spectre.
Oh, what kind of car is that? Is it
That's this one?
the?
The Spectre?
Yeah.
That's the 2-door coupe, but it's fully electric. Yeah, it's our Rolls-Royce first electric car. So then I'll have that. Then I'll have the new Rolls-Royce Phantom, which will be the 2024. Same thing as this. It's just going to be in like a Smurf blue. It's going to be a crazy spec. Yeah. And then I have a limited edition Black Badge Ghost. So the new Ghost. I have a Black Badge one coming. And then I also have a Cullinan.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah. So I'll have
about getting a Cullinan.
Yeah. So yeah, I think they're awesome.
Yeah. I didn't realize how like big.
They're a massive car.
This looks like it.
Yeah. So she's longer than an Escalade and heavier than an F-150. Yeah. So it's the biggest sedan you can buy.
The Ghost.
This is the Phantom.
The Phantom.
Yeah. The Phantom is the Ghost is the entry level one. This is their flagship one. This was a second master bedroom, but we turned it into an office. So you still have the whole master suite in here.
Yeah.
And then in here, we got everyone in the lab. Watch your step. And then we got the setups in here. Got a pretty neat view. Keep TVs up there for analytics. And then we're just getting some more furniture in here now. So we just got the couch in and all.
Like the war room.
It's the war room, yeah. Just waiting on some artwork. And then, yeah, that's basically it in here.
These, like you're in the computer.
You're in the computer. It actually creates its own echo when you're inside. If you're like on Zoom and you talk.
Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh yeah.
You feel it? Yeah.
This is wild. I thought I had the most monitors, or I thought I had like one of the craziest monitor setups, but you got 2 that are better than mine.
These are actually separate monitors.
No, I see.
Yeah.
I mean, two setups.
Oh, 2 setups, yeah. So he likes PC, so we got a PC one. He's got it running in Alienware, and then I just have my Mac Studio. Yeah.
I used to like PCs too. I just converted, like recently.
Won't go back.
I still have a PC though. I have one. I still have one.
So then we'll come in here.
Well, what's this area?
It's just decorative.
Yeah.
There's no access. We're gonna put a sliding glass door there. No, they just built it just to be there. So in here is.
I got one of those.
So we got the main master. Got it's probably my favorite view up here because you can really see everything. Like I said, all the automations. There's blinds, drapes, everything in here. Right here we have the projector. They're actually putting a new projector in here today, and then this is a drop-down screen. So that comes down, so at night you can watch that, which is pretty sick too.
That's cool.
Normally I'll just drop that for you to see, but I think they're in the middle of installing the new one.
That's all good.
Whatever. So out here, got pretty decent views. We're putting a hot tub right here. We got the power just installed for it.
Really?
Yeah, so we're gonna have a hot tub. It's gonna be on a raised platform, so it's gonna be able to overlook all the water. And this will all be turf. We're gonna have like some awnings out here. And just do like a...
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, let's just have some shade at some point because it gets super hot up here. And then we got the view. And then that's South Beach right there. That's Fountain Blue. Kind of a pretty sick setup. Yeah. So in the kitchen, got 2 Viking appliances. So this is Chef Gus keeps things going. And then I just like the cabinets. All the cabinets are automatic. So then you can control them through here. And then they also close automatically too.
That's dope.
So
That's something dope.
then we have all gas stuff, usual. It built this in, which is really nice. They did it all the way down. So you have power outlets wherever you go, and you can just pop them off. So it's always just charging out here.
All right, man. So y'all seen Tom's amazing house, boat, cars, the whole fleet of cars.
How to do it.
Yeah, and it's all paid for with money made from
With Section 8, man. Yeah, 709 rental properties, all on the guaranteed Section 8 rental program, and it just comes every first of the month.
Yeah, you see why when I went to get a real estate mentor, I had to go to the vet.
There we go.
The proof is, the evidence is here. If y'all want to join us on this journey, join me on this journey. We're learning from our mentor. We're doing a free training pretty soon. It's coming up. The link's in the description where you're gonna walk us through.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you step by step how to choose the best markets, which cities to be investing in, how to buy these properties if you already live in an expensive area and you need to buy out of state, and also how to buy these properties with only $2,500 down and no credit. That's the most important part.
2,500 down
with no credit. Because we're gonna be talking about seller financing. Okay. So that's gonna be really helpful in being able to choose these properties and how to pick them.
And even if they don't have that, there's other ways they can get that with the
wholesaling.
The wholesale.
We'll talk about how to put properties under contract and flip it. So if you have $0 at all and you want to at least get in the game, how to be able to flip your first property and then get into Section 8 rental properties.
Man, that's super exciting.
Yeah.
Guys, click that link, join the class, learn along with me. I want to bring y'all with me on this journey so we can all come up, start getting some of this money. All right? Peace.